Hey, hello, and nice to see you again. Welcome to the CrocFIX channel. As you see, we have here the brand new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and we can't get into the phone because it's screen locked. There is a password and we forgot it. If you also forgot the password and want to use the phone again, just follow these basic steps I will show you now, and then you can use your phone again. So I would like to say that I put a lot of time and effort in these videos to show you guys and help you guys, of course. If I could save you some time and money, there is a donation link where you can send some donation for a coffee or something, and you can also in the comments say thank you, it worked for me. That would be really nice. Thank you. So okay, now let's go to the problem. So you have a password, a PIN number or something, and you can't get into the phone. What you will need is the phone itself and then an USB-C cable which is connected to the computer or any other device. It could be also USB earphones or maybe also connected to another phone, notebook or any other device. But it must be connected because it needs a signal here. You don't need any software or something, but it just needs to be plugged here in and in the other end. Okay, so once you have that cable, just plug it in, and then we will do following. So we need to press all three buttons here together so the phone will restart, because we can't just press volume down and the power button and then click on turn off, because it will ask you for the password and you don't know it. Okay, so let's go. Press all three buttons here. So this is basically one button, but you can press it up or down, so it's volume up or down. Okay, and this is the power button. So press all three buttons and hold them until the phone restarts. When the phone will restart, you will release the volume down button, but keep holding volume up and the power button. Okay, so let's go. We press all three buttons and hold all three buttons. Still hold. You will feel that phone will vibrate, or you will see the Samsung logo coming in. Still keep holding. Still keep holding. Still keep holding. Let's keep holding this. Still. Okay, check. Okay, so the phone turned off. Now let's go and click on volume up and the power button. It seems it's in some weird mode. Let's try it out if we can turn on the phone. Sometimes it can happen. You can also see a green screen, which is the download mode. This is not correct, and this is not what we are searching for. So now the phone basically shut it off. Let's just disconnect it and press all three buttons here together. Let's press it because we need the phone to restart again. You just leave it because we were not successful for the first time. So we just leave it to boot up. You can also connect the cable again. Okay. So press the screen off, screen on again. Press all three buttons so you will see when the phone will restart. Hold the buttons, still hold them, hold it. Okay, so now you release the volume down button, but keep holding volume up and the power button once the screen shut it off. So just hold these buttons. If you don't see anything here, don't worry. We will try again. So now basically, if you click just once fast the power button, the screen is off. Let's go and click volume up and the power button and hold these two buttons. Let's hold these two buttons while the phone is connected with the cable. If nothing is happening, let's go. Leave it, and again. Volume up and power button. Click and hold these two buttons. Now you release the power button when you see the Samsung logo and hold just the volume up button. There we go. Now we are in the recovery menu. So timing is very important, don't forget it. Now you can disconnect the cable here because we are already in the recovery menu. So here we have some options. We go through the menu with the side button here, volume down and volume up. And we need to find here Wipe Data Factory Reset. That means the phone will be wiped, it will be like brand new, everything will be erased, but after this reset, once you turn on the phone again, it could ask you maybe for the PIN again, but you will have the option unlock with my Google account. And then you need to know your Google account, you just enter your email and password and you can activate the phone. So again, here we have Wipe Data Factory Reset. We confirm here with the power button. And then again, are you really sure? Everything will be lost, your data will be wiped, deleted. Unfortunately, that's the only way. Let's go down. Yes, we are sure. Factory Data Reset and confirm with the power button. So now something was done here. Okay. And now once you see that, you can go to Reboot System now and click again on the power button. And that's it. So the phone will now restart, everything will be erased. Also, you will have the option to unlock the phone with your Gmail and password. Of course, it needs to be connected to your Wi-Fi. So once again, you need to have the phone connected to some device, basically to a computer or another phone or tablet. Once this is connected, you press all buttons, so the phone will turn off. And then again, you click on volume up and power button. For the first time, hold it. If you don't see the Samsung logo coming in, release it and try again. And once you see the Samsung logo coming, not the Samsung Galaxy, just the Samsung logo, then you release the power button, but you always keep holding the volume up button. Okay? Okay. If you have questions, let me know. The comments are open if you want to say thank you. Also feel free, and thank you very much for your comments. If you want to donate and I could help you, thanks very much, I really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. If the video did somehow help you, then you can buy me a coffee. Donations are always appreciated. Thank you. You find the donation link in my about page and in the video description. Here on my channel, just click on more, and then you have here the donation link. Please also like, comment and share the video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.